In this video, I'm going to answer a question that some of you have asked me privately. What's to do if my English is not very good? How do I do all this writing that you are talking about and sharing about? Well, then you must watch this video till the end, where I will share the tool that I use to pick up grammar mistakes and help to improve my writing. Hi everyone, I'm Benjamin. In recent videos, I've shared how to write good LinkedIn articles and posts, the one principle that's a must as a foundation for any social media platform writing, and just writing in general. Also, I've shared how to write trending posts on LinkedIn using the 3H framework. Again, this is a framework for any sort of writing actually. I will share the links to this video on top as well as in this video description below. So after viewing my videos sharing on the writing tips, some people have asked me privately, Ben, you share all these frameworks and writing strategies, but what if my English is not so good? How to write? Won't it look more unprofessional if I write something that's full of errors? So here I am getting your question answered. Remember, hit the subscribe button, and if you have any questions and comments, feel free to keep it and feel free to write it in the comment section below, where I will answer them in my next video. So to answer the question, what to do if I'm afraid my writing is not so good, I'm afraid if I will have a lot of errors in my writing. Number one, I think it's very important you remember and focus on the content and message. That's the most important thing. Okay? Make sure your content, make sure your writing, make sure your message is of value. That's the most important thing. Because I'm going to share with you this behind the scenes, right? Error-free writing or perfection in writing. Is it worth chasing? And how do people do it in publishing companies? Okay, of course, most of the times for journalists, for writers, their English standards have to be quite good, right? I mean, good, but I feel don't need to be excellent, okay? But still, in the quest for perfection, in the quest for error-free writing, there is a process in place, okay, to check, to cross-check, to edit, okay, to check again, etc., etc. Okay, through the different systems, different process, different people will take a look at it. So is this quest for error-free writing? Is this quest for perfect writing, okay, in our day-to-day life, in our social media posts, or for you, okay, who are doing it for personal branding, to build up your presence online? Is it possible? May or may not, right? So even for me, what I feel is the most important is to focus on eliminating the obvious and glaring errors, right? Even for me, I can't possibly be getting different people to check or going through my writing if it's something that I'm doing like right now on a personal nature and for my own personal social media platforms, okay? But what if I told you there's a way to do it, yeah? There's a way to focus on eliminating obvious and glaring errors, okay? With a tool that helps you not just in serious writing, but it will also pick up any typos and errors in your social media posts or even your text messages. Would that be helpful? And on top of picking up errors, okay, it will even give you suggestions to improve your writing. So this tool is something that I personally use. Yes, I'm using it. I'm personally using it, okay, because it helps me, okay, not just in serious writing, but also in terms of my social media posts and even my messages to pick up, sometimes typo mistake when you have fat finger syndrome, or sometimes when because you are typing so fast, okay, you make some obvious errors and grammatical mistakes, yeah. So this tool that I'm using, okay, I'm using an upgraded version, but since it's a freemium model, you can use it absolutely free. Yes, you can use this tool for free forever. Yeah, they have a free version of it that you can use forever. So this tool that I use a lot, that I depend a lot on, can be found in this partner link. Yeah, I'm going to share the partner link here. Okay, can be found on this partner link. Okay, bit.ly/English checker, capital E, capital C. Yeah, bit.ly/English checker. Okay, it's cap sensitive, so use this link to go and find the tool. Okay, I will also include the partner link in the video description below so that you can check out this tool that I use to help me eliminate obvious errors and mistakes. Okay, so there you have it, my own personal tool and secrets that help me in my writing and to pick up obvious errors to help you as well. If you feel, oh, what to do if my English is not so good, that you're so frightened that you stop writing or you don't write completely. Okay, so use this tool, check it out. Okay, let me know if you have further questions or topics that I should cover. Okay, key in the comment section below. Okay, hit the subscribe button to get the latest video when it's out, and let me know whether the tool is useful for you. This is Benjamin signing off. I'll see you in the next video.